In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Tawasal Super App on Android. This process is straightforward and will help you access the features of the app quickly. Let's get started. First, we need to open the Google Play Store. Look for the Play Store icon on your device. It typically resembles a colorful triangle. Tap this icon to launch the app. Once the Play Store opens, you will see a clean layout with various categories and featured apps. This step is essential because the Google Play Store is the official source for downloading apps on Android. It ensures that you get a safe and verified version of Tawasal Super App. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. The search bar is where you can enter the name of the app you want to find. Carefully type in Tawasal Super App using your on-screen keyboard. As you type, you might see suggestions appear below the search bar. This feature is handy as it can help you find the app quickly without having to type the entire name. After entering the app name, press the search button or the enter key on your keyboard to proceed. Now it's time to select the official Tawasal Super App from the search results. Look for the app published by Tawasal Information Technology LLC. It's important to choose the correct app to ensure you are downloading the legitimate version. A quick glance at the app's icon and description can help confirm it's the right one. Selecting the official app is crucial for ensuring you receive the proper features and updates directly from the developers. Once you have found the correct app, tap on it to open its page. Here, you will see more details about Tawasal Super App, including screenshots, user reviews, and ratings. This information can give you a better understanding of what to expect from the app. Now, to proceed with the download, look for the green Install button and tap on it. After tapping Install, the app will begin downloading to your device. You will see a progress bar indicating the download status. It may take a moment depending on your internet connection speed. Once the download is complete, the app will automatically install on your device. This step is vital as it ensures that the app is on your device and ready for use. You will see a confirmation message or the app icon appear on your home screen when installation is finished. With the installation complete, you can now find the Tawasal Super App icon on your device. Navigate to your home screen or app drawer to locate it. Tapping on the icon will launch the app, allowing you to explore its features and functionalities. Remember, accessing this app will enhance your experience with its unique services. This is a great moment to start using Tawasal Super App, as it will provide you with valuable tools at your fingertips. In summary, downloading Tawasal Super App on your Android device is a simple process that involves a few key steps in the Google Play Store. By following these instructions, you'll have the app installed and ready to use in no time. Whether you are looking to communicate or access services, this app has much to offer. Thank you for following along and enjoy your new app.